talk about cleaning, and since this guy right here,
I'm not talking about cleaning. She's gonna talk about cleaning.
he cleans it every day. Don't be alarmed here, folks. So, what your take on things? And it's really funny because, you know, as husband and wife, we see things differently, right brain, left brain, and I think cleaning, though, we're on the same page. So how do you
like it clean?
We do. We like things clean. So what do you think about how does it meet your expectations as far as cleaning up? Do you see stains? What's your take on this?
It's gone really well.
Yeah.
I've liked it. I was worried about the finish. This is an epoxy finish is what we did. It's really glossy, which looks good, but I was worried that it was going to get really scratched up and then look bad.
Right.
And not be able to come clean.
Now, you can see, I mean, I wipe it with soap and water or Clorox cleaners or, you know, homemade whatever. You can see this is the main area where my children sit daily. Like breakfast, lunch, dinner, it is served here. I don't think we use any other part of the kitchen nearly as much as this little section right here. It has a few streaks, but overall, over the past year, like it's really remained shiny. And our kids are messy. I mean, they are messy. We have stained this tons of times. I think it's cleaned up.
It's impervious.
Impervious.
Yes.
Look that one up, folks. I don't know.
It's good. I mean, there are no stains.
Yeah.
And we, you know, we'll have food and slide the plate right across, and
doesn't scratch.
It's doing great.
Yeah, we like it. So that is what we think about cleaning concrete countertops.